Hello and welcome to a new episode of Moneda Republic. Today we're going to talk about the new American Eagle gold and silver reverse design. On October 1st, 2020, the United States Mint unveiled the reverse tails designed for the bullions and collectible version of the American Eagle gold and silver coins. 2021 marks the 35th anniversary of the American Eagle coin program, and the new design will begin appearing on this coin in a mid-year 2021. Something to keep in mind, the reverse heads of the redesigned American Eagle gold and silver coins will continue to bear the version of the historic design that have been featured on these coins for more than 3 decades. The gold coin obverse will display a refreshed depiction of the 1907 design by Augustus Saint Gaudin, while the obverse of the silver coin will display a refreshed depiction of the 1916 Walking Liberty. Hey guys, if you'd like to be part of the live stream giveaway, remember to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell. Also, what you see in the screen is a rendering of the new silver American Eagle that I made in Photoshop, since the file released from the Mint is more like a sketch. I really want to kind of imagine with using some fantasy, some filter, the depth of the new coins. I did that for the silver American Eagle and for the gold American Eagle, and I hope you enjoyed it. Moneda Republic people, we got to the end of this episode. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and to enable the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new videos and live streams. Till next time, ciao!